Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the annual insolation function in LiDAR360. First, on the right side toolbar of the LiDAR360 main interface, click on the Terrain drop-down menu and find the Annual Insolation tool. You can also search for the Annual Insolation tool directly and click to open it. In the pop-up window, start by selecting the DEM file you want to analyze. In the Number of Steps field, choose the sampling days, and in the Unit field, select the unit for the output solar radiation. There are 3 units available in the drop-down menu to choose from. The hour interval is used to set the calculation interval for solar radiation on the sampling days, and in the year field, choose the year you want to calculate for. Optionally, you can choose whether to resample the data. After configuring the parameters as needed, select the output path and click OK to generate the output, which will be a multi-band TIFF file. That's the entire process of using the annual insolation function in LiDAR 360. Thank you for watching.